Okay, so hello and good evening to one and all. So in this video, I'll not say a short video because some of my friends are criticizing that it is becoming really a kind of lengthy video. So what we will do is we will try to start up with Bootstrap 5. Okay, so Bootstrap is a framework you can refer so many resources for Bootstrap. I don't want to get into the history or anything of it. We will try to build something which is very useful for one and all. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll straight away jump into the code. So we will go. We will create a file called mycv.html. So what it says is it's going to be your CV. So we are going to build your CV in Bootstrap 5. Okay, one difference between Bootstrap 5 and Bootstrap 4 is Bootstrap 4 had jQuery min. Bootstrap 5 did not have jQuery, so instead I start instead of going into the lectures of what is Bootstrap, what are the differences. So it's basically content delivery network. Bootstrap is basically content delivery network. So straight away jump. You'll see the power of Bootstrap in few moments. Okay, so that's it. We have the boilerplate code, and then we will straight away jump into building our CV. So this is the Bootstrap page, and this has examples, docs, everything. Okay, so examples, Bootstrap icons, specialty themes. If you want to buy some themes and then build over that. So instead of wasting time on all these things, you will straight away build something. Okay, so go to Bootstrap. You can, if you are in Node.js kind of an environment, you can use npm. Okay, internet is slow. So what is the alternative? So examples has a lot of features like how you can design sidebars, all these things. Okay, so yeah, it's up. What we'll do is we'll straight away jump into get started. Okay, so we will get started, and then it will jump into okay. So get started has this beautiful boilerplate that is starter template. If you go in here and then just copy this, or what you can do is you can copy the bootstrap min.css separately, paste it in your meta, paste it in your head after all the viewport and all these things, and then give a control S. Okay, and then this is starter template. You can play around with this without any kind of hassles. So this is this min.js bundle min.js which they use. Okay, so where have they pasted? If you look into this, they have pasted this in the body just above the end of the body tag. So we will also do that. We will do that. Okay, we will do that. Script is pasted. Okay, these are the two important things. Bootstrap 4 had Bootstrap min.css, and then some jQuery plugins. All plugins were also there. Two, three. Bootstrap 5 is totally dependent on Vue.js, which they have it as a bundle. Okay, if you want jQuery also, you can link it in the head and then start working. So that's the thing. We will straight away start. Okay. CAD entered. Okay. Then main. section, then we'll have article, then we'll have a footer. Okay, we will also add style. Okay, entire body will have, so straight away will jump in header, nothing is there. If you run this, save this, and run, nothing will come actually. Okay, will not see anything because we haven't entered anything, so we will not see anything. So we'll straight away start. Okay, and we will get into the bootstrap. Okay, first we will go to content. We'll go to the components part of it. Once in the components, you can see you have so many varieties of things like accordion, alerts, badge, breadcrumb, buttons, button group, so many things. Navs, tabs, models, poppers, pagination, everything we have. So we will straight away build our nav bar. Okay, so I will take this nav bar. I'll just say copy, and then I will paste it inside the header. Okay, so what you will see is you will see a nav bar which has come. If you refresh this, it's as simple as that. Okay, nav bar has come. Okay, what we can do now is we will say background dark. So this is where bootstrap comes into picture. So the thing about the bootstrap is the classes, the predefined classes. Once you include this bootstrap min.css, you will get exposed to so many classes where you can see bg is background light was there, we are going to change it to background dark. So once you do that and refresh, background is dark. Okay, never light, we want text white, text white. Okay, text white is not coming. Background light, navbar dark. Okay, so yeah, navbar dark, background dark. Okay, so it automatically chooses, once you choose navbar dark and background dark, it automatically chooses the text as white. Okay, now you have this navbar. We will design this navbar into a beautiful icon. Okay, we'll say tech simba. Okay, tech simba is our tech simba we have, but I want some icon to be present here as my logo icon. So what I'll do is I have I'm going to play around with something called Fontasm. Okay, Fontasm is the library, so through which I'm going to play. Okay, so Fontasm also I will link it. I'll link it here. Okay, so after linking Fontasm there, if I just paste logo, this I have already done to make sure that we will straight away jump. So where do I want the icon? I want the icon right after the text Simba thing. So what I'll do is I'll control V. So these are Phantasm icon class of a cat. If you can refer, I'll show you the place where you can refer Phantasm icons for animals, for other things. Okay, so these are some things which you need to work on. Okay, now you will see tomato. I have given tomato, you can give anything else. So we have saved this, and if I go and I got the icon. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll straight away, we'll not play around with the colors. We'll our idea is to have a beautiful page. So what we'll do, instead of go style, we'll do body, background color. We'll say turquoise, tur- turquoise color. We'll put. Then we'll see how it changes the whole body. Okay. So the whole body color is now changed to turquoise. Okay. Turquoise or turquoise, whatever it is. Okay. So now we need something from the bootstrap. Where is the bootstrap? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So navbar we have placed. I want carousel. Okay. Carousel is nothing but there are variety of carousel. You want to have a subtitle, second label carousel, third label carousel. So different type. Carousel is nothing but a moving. Uh, no, it's a feature where you can show the slides or images if you want. Okay, we will have this carousel. Okay, or this looks good. Okay, this looks good. This we'll have. What we'll do is we'll just copy and then paste it inside. So we already have header. We will paste it below the navbar. Okay. Or if you want to paste it in the main, you can paste it in the main. Okay. If you want to paste it in the main, you can paste it. We'll say carousel. And then you straight away jump and then paste and then see how it is. Okay. So it's overlapping because of the margins. What we will do is we will put it. So that's what you can play around. After navbar also you can put it. You will see how this is. Okay, because we haven't put any slides or anything, it's not coming. So we will take out the carousel. We will go for the jumbotron. Okay. Okay. Okay, so far so good. So we'll straight away go into the main. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a style and put a margin for all these things. Let's see, header, main, section, article, footer. 120 pixel I put. Okay, 20 pixel and then I'll save it, keep it. Okay, so now I want a jumbotron. So that's where examples are good at this. So you go to jumbotron. Where is jumbotron? Any jumbotron examples are there? Okay, jumbotron is there. So I want this jumbotron. Okay, something like this. So what I'll do is I'll use the source. It's paste it inside the main section. First we'll paste it inside the main, and then we'll check. Okay, okay, beautiful. I got my jumbotron. This is how quickly you can build stuff. Okay, so now I will show you background light. Background we will say danger. Let's see how this works. Okay, so if I say background danger, super. Okay, I got contrast colors from that of my body background. So custom jumbotron. So you can edit. You can say welcome to my CV web page. Okay, this is where I am going to build my CV, and then I'm going to showcase the power of Bootstrap 5 building apps with quickly. Please be patient with the errors again. Okay, so something like this, and then I'll say controllers. That's it. Welcome to my CV page. So this is how quickly you can build. Next we are going to jump into accordion. Okay, accordion is, so this will close. Accordion. Accordion is something which is like this. We will come to the carousel part of it. Accordion is nothing but collapsible things. These are very good in if you are writing blogs, or if you are writing, if you want to have your own book that has to be displayed. Okay, there are different types of accordion, flush accordion. Okay, it changes the color of the. So explanations are given. Okay, okay. So we will take this first example, copy, and then paste it inside the section. Okay, so Control V, Control S. We can change the color, background color of the accordion. Okay, we can change anything. We can change, uh, color of say background EG success. Let's see how this works. Now we'll refresh this page. You have the accordion already present. Okay, accordion is there. This is how quickly you are building the pages. Okay, so like how we changed, you know, how we changed the icons. We are going to play with the icons here a little bit. I'll show and then I'll wind it up because accordion. We will say education. Okay, education. Control S. And then accordion item. Accordion item is the div where it is placed. This is the first item in the body. The first item in the body. Okay, super. This is the education details. shown default, those things and all are not needed. So what we'll do is quickly scroll. Okay, quickly scroll. We don't want this. So this is how quickly you can delete and do whatever you want. So control S, I will see how it looks and then we'll straight away build. Okay. This is the education details. This is the education details. Education details. So education has come. So I want an icon before education. So what I'll do is I will copy paste this before education and see how this looks. We'll design one accordion and then we'll wind it up with the footer and then we'll close this because it has taken so much time already. Yeah, it is already 21 minutes. The education details, I want it before education. Okay, an icon. So control S. Let's see how this comes out. See, education. We have designed. This is the education details. If we collapse this, still the icon comes. So similarly, we can just copy paste some things here, which will be useful for you to go through and see how this can be built. Okay, inside a paragraph, I am putting a lot of icons and then enclosing lots of lot of icons and then you know. So I'm just going to paste it after strong. Okay, and see how this. We are just preparing a paragraph after strong. This is the education details. After this, we are preparing a paragraph. Okay, let's see how this works. See. This is how quickly you can build. You can change the background color of this. I'll show you how you can change the background color accordion body. Okay. BG success. See, BG success or BG info if you want info BG gradient. These are some of the colors which we have in Bootstrap. See how quickly you can change the colors and play with this. Okay, we'll also change the collapsible color of this. Okay, accordion item G danger. So this is not the place where you change. This is not what I want. Close accordion. So this is the whole of accordion. I want collapsible one to be education is there. Bottom. Super. Oh. So this button is taking it as dark, so nothing is visible. So we will revert this. BG success report. Okay. See. Okay. This is still okay-ish, but this is not the right way to do. But still, we are okay. BG info, BG danger. I'll also explain BG warning is something which is another color we have. Maybe if I give BG warning. Okay, this looks good. So this is how fast you can build. You have built your education part of it. If you want to build technical skills, accordion 2 can be technical skills. Accordion 3 can be something else. And the footer section, we can straight away wind up the footer section by saying footer. Okay, footer. So we'll just copy something from already finished. Already it goes to a something and pasting it. Okay, inside a paragraph, I'll put. So footer is done. So this is how fast you can build a single page web apps. Okay, so we'll start exploring this. So I'll show you before winding up. I'll just recolor the accordion items. VG warning we have given. Okay, button. Insert the button. Danger. So this is warning, this is danger, and this could be white, or this could be, you know, info we have already given. This could be PG success. See how fast you are building stuff. So everything can be white also instead of background, and then you can style it. You can span these areas in different ways. So this is how fast you can actually build, your one page apps. I'll show you. See, this Fontasm icon is extensive. Okay, it has variety of icons. Say for example, if I copy this and put it here, control save, and then go to you know, technical skills. See, you got these HTML5 icons, CSS3 icons, JS, jQuery, database, Python, PHP. So many icons are there. So this is a very good example of how you can build your resume, which you can showcase in your LinkedIn and stuff. Okay, and then we will also explore this. So one advantage of using Bootstrap is it has the media port things, media queries. You need not write media queries unless and until you are having. See, this is how, unless it is very small devices, goes wacky. If it is a normal mobile devices, this is the normal mobile these days which are coming. And see how quickly you have built your resume. You have built thoroughly a very good resume as a showcase piece in your LinkedIn, and then you can share it any time with anyone. And next video we'll see how we can host this kind of. I'll try to do some styling, and then basic styling, and then we will see how we can pull it, host it, and then share it in social media. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this will be really useful for you. Yeah, see you.